while you're scrolling through TikTok, somewhere, an AI is scanning the planet. Not to create the next meme stock, but to find green investments, sustainable assets that are silently making everyday people very rich. This isn't crypto hype. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is the future of money. And you're already behind. Because while most people are distracted, the rich are preparing for a $53 trillion opportunity, and AI is the secret weapon. Stick around, because by the end of this video you'll see how it all connects. And why this is your one chance to be early, not late. Part 1. The wealth shift you didn't see coming. Let me tell you a story. In 2011, Tesla was a nobody, an EV company mocked by Wall Street. But one fund, a small AI-assisted hedge fund, picked up patterns before anyone else. It saw something the human eye couldn't. Climate data, tech breakthroughs, government subsidies, and flagged Tesla as a green investment with exponential upside. They bought early. They held. They watched millions grow quietly. Fast forward to today, and history is repeating itself. But this time the playground isn't just electric cars. It's carbon credits, green bonds, solar tech, and water purification. And while retail investors chase volatility, the rich are feeding AI models with climate data, ESG scores, and impact forecasts to find silent winners. Part 2. The AI that's picking winners. Here's how it works. Traditional investors look at profit margins, PE ratios, balance sheets. AI goes 10 layers deeper. It analyzes global satellite data to monitor deforestation CO2 emissions by company, real-time government climate policy shifts, social media sentiment about ESG compliance, and even weather patterns affecting crops and energy grids. Platforms like QAI, Climate AI, and MSCI ESG ratings are already feeding this data into deep learning models to rank the most sustainable and most profitable assets. These AI tools aren't predicting hype. They're predicting impact, and wealth is quietly following. Part 3. What the 1% is doing that you aren't. BlackRock, Vanguard, Fidelity. These names control trillions. And over the last 24 months, they've increased exposure to sustainable ETFs, green bonds, and climate tech startups. Why? Because the world is shifting. By 2025, it's expected that $53 trillion, that's over 1/3 of global assets, will be ESG aligned. This is not a trend. It's a financial revolution. And while institutions deploy AI to find green opportunities, what is the average person doing? Scrolling, waiting, missing. This is the moment where the rich build generational wealth, while the rest catch up too late. Part 4. What you can do right now. So here's the million-dollar question. How do you get in? Start small. Here are 3 ways. Use free AI tools. Sign up for QAI or Koifin. Let them scan for ESG-aligned opportunities. Use Google Finance plus ChatGPT combo to ask, which green stocks have increased ESG scores and rising volume this month? Invest in green ETFs. Look into ICLN, TAN, or GRNB. ETFs focused on clean energy and green bonds. These funds are backed by rising policy support and long-term climate tailwinds. Look at carbon credit markets. Carbon trading is exploding. Companies are being forced to buy credits to offset emissions. This opens up a huge opportunity for retail investors in carbon ETFs like KRBN. But here's the catch. You can't wait. Because once something becomes mainstream, the profits vanish. The best gains go to the people who recognize the shift before it's obvious. Part 5. Final warning. Don't be the one who looks back. Think of all the opportunities you missed. Bitcoin at 300, Tesla before it hit 100, down, Nvidia before the AI boom. This is one of those moments. The tools are here, the data is screaming, and AI is giving you an unfair advantage. If you're willing to listen, don't wait for the headlines to catch up, because by then the early money is gone, and you'll be left saying the 4 most painful words in finance. I knew about this. If this opened your eyes, even just a little, hit that subscribe button. Because on this channel, we don't follow the herd. We stay ahead of the wave, quietly, strategically, and profitably. This is Financial Mo, where we expose silent wealth strategies before they blow up.